The humble potato contains enough energy to power a small city for an entire day. This astounding potential comes from a surprising chemical reaction happening inside its starchy cells. Cooking isn't just about taste. It's a fascinating dance of chemistry and physics on your plate. Understanding these hidden processes transforms everyday meals into edible experiments. Think about the browning of bread or the fluffiness of a soufflé. These are chemical marvels. Food science unlocks the secrets behind why certain ingredients behave the way they do when heated. It explains the magic that happens when simple elements combine to create complex flavors and textures. This knowledge empowers you to become a better cook, a more curious eater, and a true kitchen alchemist. Let's explore the science behind some of your favorite foods and cooking techniques. The Maillard reaction is responsible for the delicious brown crust on baked bread. It's a complex series of chemical reactions between amino acids and reducing sugars. This reaction occurs at temperatures above 280 degrees Fahrenheit, creating hundreds of new flavor compounds. Imagine thousands of tiny flavor molecules blooming as your bread toasts to perfection. The pleasing aroma of roasting meat is also a direct result of this incredible reaction. Caramelization is another crucial process, transforming sugars into rich, complex flavors. When sugar is heated above its boiling point, its molecules break down and rearrange. This creates a spectrum of flavors, from slightly sweet to deeply bitter notes. But that's not the strangest part of sugar's transformation. Emulsification is key to creating smooth sauces and creamy dressings. It's the process of forcing two liquids that don't normally mix, like oil and water, to combine. Tiny droplets of one liquid are dispersed evenly throughout the other, creating a stable mixture. Think of mayonnaise. It's a perfect emulsion of oil, egg yolk, and vinegar. The lecithin in egg yolk acts as an emulsifier, preventing the oil and water from separating. Wait until you hear what comes next for these seemingly simple ingredients. Gelatinization explains why pasta and rice become tender when cooked in water. Starch granules absorb water and swell up, thickening the surrounding liquid. This physical change makes starches digestible and gives them their characteristic soft texture. Properly cooked pasta should have a slight chew, indicating the starches are perfectly hydrated. The science of leavening makes cakes and breads light and airy. Yeast consumes sugars and produces carbon dioxide gas, creating bubbles. Baking soda and baking powder react with moisture and heat to produce similar gases. These trapped gas bubbles expand in the oven, causing the baked goods to rise. And then something unexpected happened. In the evolution of baking, denaturation is what happens to proteins when they are exposed to heat or acid. The coiled protein molecules unwind and bond with each other, changing the food's structure. This is why egg whites turn solid and opaque when you cook them. The clarity of the egg white disappears as the proteins lock into a new, firm arrangement. Understanding these protein changes helps you achieve the perfect steak sear or tender chicken. Hydrocolloids are fascinating compounds that thicken and stabilize foods. These are long-chain molecules, often derived from seaweed or plants. They form a network that traps water, increasing viscosity and creating a smooth mouthfeel. Agar-agar and carrageenan are common examples found in puddings and ice cream, but their applications extend far beyond simple desserts. Fermentation is an ancient process that relies on microorganisms like bacteria and yeast. These microbes convert carbohydrates into alcohol or organic acids, transforming flavors. Yogurt, cheese, and sourdough bread are all products of controlled fermentation. This process not only adds unique tastes, but also preserves food and increases its nutritional value. It's a testament to nature's ability to create complexity from simplicity. The interaction of acids and bases plays a vital role in cooking. Adding lemon juice to milk, for instance, causes the milk proteins to curdle. This acid-catalyzed reaction is the first step in making cheese or paneer. Conversely, alkaline ingredients can tenderize tough meats over time. The impact of food science is profound, revolutionizing how we produce and consume food. It ensures food safety, improves nutritional content, and enhances sensory appeal. From extending shelf life to creating novel food textures, its influence is everywhere. Scientists are continually exploring new ways to create sustainable and delicious food options. This ongoing research promises even more exciting culinary innovations in the future. The world of food science is a universe of delicious discovery waiting to be explored. If you found these culinary secrets fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Don't forget to like this video and share your favorite food science fact in the comments below. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.